So here's how to integrate your Wix store to your Shopify store. It's actually quite easy to do, so make sure you watch to the end and don't skip any important steps. For this, first you will need to log into your Chrome browser, and then here you have to simply go to your Shopify account and you have to log on it. And after that, in the new tab, you also have to log into your Wix account. After that, here you have to go to the Zapier and then click on the create a Zap option, and once you click on it, now it will take you to this page. Now here you have to search for the Wix automation, and after that you have to click on this app to install it. After that, at this section you have to simply select the automation role option. Now you have to hit on the continue option, and after that here you have to move forward to the action 2. Once you are there, now here you have to simply search for the Shopify, and now you have to click on it. Then from the events you have to simply click on the create customer option, and after that you will be able to view this continue option. Now hit on this. Once you hit on the continue, now your Wix website will be successfully integrated to your Shopify store. So that's how to integrate your Wix site to your Shopify store.